Like I liked that salted caramel mocha they had this summer. That was delicious and terrible for you. And they had that coconut one for a while too. That was good.
That was good. I think I had the Frappuccino.
Yeah. And I know I can make them at home or go to Dunkin' Donuts, but it's just so much better than Starbucks. I can't drink their regular coffee from there.
Don't drop it.
Whatever
Maggie.
they make.
Don't drop it.
I do really like Dunkin' Donuts too.
I do too. For just a regular cup of coffee, that's where I go. That's where I got
Maggie.
like drinking a lot of coffee because there's
What
one
you got,
right next to my
Abigail?
office in Surfside
You got some cookies?
that I used to work at.
Hey, so there they go.